Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Member representing SAGBAMA EKEREMOR Federal Constituency of Bayelsa State in the House of Representatives, Honorable Fred AGBEDI, has commissioned the second batch of his constituency projects, including a primary school at Isoni, as well as an internal road at Toruebeni, both in SAGBAMA local government area of Bayelsa State. Our correspondent Ekena Amilfo reports that the federal lawmaker and his entourage were accorded a warm reception by the benefiting communities.
I hereby commission this second classroom and the auxiliary services that have been provided for the good use of our children, of mankind, to the glory of God.
It was a commissioning of a renovated block of 7 classrooms at Community Primary School Isoni in SAGBAMA local government area of Bayelsa State. The project for the renovation of the school was facilitated by member representing SAGBAMA EKEREMOR Federal Constituency of Bayelsa State in the House of Representatives, Honorable Fred AGBEDI, as part of his constituency project. Headmaster of Community Primary School Isoni Solomon Ogunuku and Chief Augustine Logbenwe, a PDP stalwart in EKEREMOR, maintained that the project reflects the purposeful stride of a focused political representative in the National Assembly.
The school was so bad that we were afraid to even go in to teach. Everyone is very happy. The children can now sit well to learn.
The citizens of EKEREMOR and SAGBAMA, they are very lucky to have somebody like Honorable Frederick AGBEDI, because whatever he promises, he makes efforts to fulfill the promises.
The recent commissioning of 5 projects in 2 batches was rounded off at Toruebeni in SAGBAMA local government area, where Honorable AGBEDI, as part of his constituency project, facilitated the construction of an internal road to ease transport and promote economic development in the area. Members of Toruebeni community who hinted that the road was impassable before this time expressed gratitude to Honorable AGBEDI for his intervention.
Before that, we take the Wakadi road before. You know, when rain don't fall, you need to fold your trousers and every other thing. But for now, rain follow, rain no follow, you drive, enter town.
Construction of the internal road at Toruebeni was facilitated by Honorable AGBEDI while he was a member of the House Committee on Federal Roads Maintenance Agency (FEMA). At the commissioning of the project, the federal lawmaker expressed dissatisfaction with the scope of construction, which he said did not cover a long stretch that was otherwise critical to the overall development of the community.
I want to use this opportunity to call on the Federal Road Maintenance Agency to quickly intervene in this Toruebeni Federal Road to ensure that the hitherto unfinished field portion that is posing challenge to transmitters and other users of the road be maintained as quickly as possible to ease vehicular movement in this road.
On each visit during his recent tour of communities in SAGBAMA EKEREMOR Federal Constituency to commission several projects, Honorable Fred AGBEDI was accorded a warm reception. For the benefiting communities, it was time to celebrate a lawmaker who truly appreciates the essence of political representation.
Inside the Niger Delta,